You don't just use this sound when you're checking for bad breath. It's also an important sound in the English language. Can you guess what it is? Hi, I'm Damien, and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you improve your English pronunciation. These techniques will make it easier for people to understand you. In this episode, we focus on the sound H. Let's get started. Okay, before we look at H, it's important we look at the big picture of the phonemic chart, or what I like to call the map of the mouth. This beautiful chart designed by Adrian Underhill shows you what to do with your nose, lips, teeth, tongue, roof of the mouth, voice box, and jaw. Number 1, lips, which spread and move back, or round and move forward. Number 2, tongue, which moves forward and back and also curls. Number 3, jaw, which moves up and down, changing the size of the space inside your mouth. And number 4, voice, turning the vocal cords on and off to make voiced or unvoiced sounds. Now H is a bit of a loner on the chart. It has no friends. Let's find out why. Okay, for this part, you're going to need to stand up and do some exercise. I want you to run really fast for 20 seconds. And when you're tired, what sound do you make? That's right, you make H. H is pushing a lot of sound out of your mouth really quickly. But remember, don't let your tongue touch the roof of your mouth. Compare these two words, one with H and one without H. Hit, it. What difference do you notice? Well, with hit, there is a lot of air coming out and your voice box isn't on. The other thing you might have noticed with hit is that your tongue is a little bit closer to the roof of your mouth, creating a little bit of friction. Let's look inside.
H
is unique because its shape in your mouth changes according to the vowel sound that follows it. In the practice stage, see if you can feel H changing its shape to the vowel that follows it. Oh, if you're enjoying this video, remember to sledgehammer that like button. It means a lot to the channel and to me. You need to practice like you're going to play. Pronunciation isn't in your brain, it's a physical sport. You need to start moving those facial muscles. To help with this, in each episode, we have a 2-step practice routine. Minimal pairs and tongue twisters. Repeat after me and then try it yourself. And remember, I want you to really feel it. Don't just say it. Be aware of what's happening inside your mouth. Ill, hill, and, hand, old, hold, ear, here, eye, high. Did you feel the difference? Tongue twisters are good exercises for your mouth. They help you move between 2 different positions in your mouth quickly. I'll say the tongue twister twice, once slowly and another time quickly, and after that, you give it a go. Harry, the hungry hippo, is happily eating ham in his house. Harry, the hungry hippo, is happily eating ham in his house. There you have it. H, the sound that changes mouth positions. If you haven't already, Sledgehammer that subscribe button to continue on this language learning journey with me. Remember, practice is so important with pronunciation. Every chance you have, put yourself in front of a mirror or a camera and record yourself pronouncing your new sounds. That's it for this episode. Don't too hard in someone's face. And remember, start taking your English mask off today. See you later.